Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Let me just show you what I come into in my bedroom. Now, these dogs wrestle and play, and I don't even know why I wash these sheets. These dogs just yank my covers off my bed, and whoop, hang on, I'm falling over dog toys. Lord have mercy. Lord and me. These dogs, you're making a mess in here, boy. You're making a mess in here. Don't you get on that bed. Oh, don't you. Listen, Linda. These two. Nothing but trouble. Messing up my bed. And then I get in bed and there's gonna be yuck all over the sheets. You weirdos. You're just a bunch of weirdos. Well, all right, let's get to the food. Hey, girl, don't you look innocent? I know it was you and Brother Sammy up on this bed wrestling. I heard y'all. You was wrestling and having yourself a good time, you little twerps. Even Lou isn't innocent. Okay, we're going to figure out what we're going to do for lunch tomorrow. It is like a one big, I forgot how you said it, sing it. In the comments you said something about, it was I don't remember how you worded it, because I have so many different kinds of food in my refrigerator and freezer. And it was like a pick a meal, I don't remember how you worded it. But anyway, so I just start grabbing things out of the freezer, and this is what's lined up next. I saw this. This is, chicken. So, my rotisserie chicken. So, tomorrow, I'm going to take me a big old salad to work. I'll have a big old salad. So, we're going to have some coleslaw. Well, cabbage. It's coleslaw cabbage. They just call it coleslaw because they figure people that use it are going to make coleslaw with it, but not me. Nobody's going to tell me how I can use my cabbage. I use it how I want to. It's green cabbage, carrots, and red cabbage. So we're going to have us a good salad because this is going to have to keep us full from 11 till about 5. So, I say full. I mean, gas will have to keep me full. Now I need a little clippy. Hang on here. I don't exactly have you in the most strategic position. All right, so we got our cabbage. And I've got my chicken. I keep trying to say turkey for some reason, but my chicken. Let me get the air out of it. And then, because tomorrow when I eat it, I'll microwave it. So we're going to have this, and we're going to have egg casserole and a yogurt. Tomorrow I'll be taking a blueberry yogurt. So I'll set this stuff kind of right here for a minute. Let's work on our salad. I've got my jicama, some raw jicama. Sprinkle a little of that in there. And let's see. I'll set the things I use over on that side so I don't get all mixed up and discombobulated. I'm going to get some of my roasted red bell peppers. Depending on when you're watching this, you will have seen that I ate this today for my supper. So, I had this for my supper, so I'm having it again for my lunch tomorrow. And in my last video, I poured out the liquid, and this is the banana peppers that were left in the bottom of this jar. All right. Now, trash that. All right, so let's work our way over. I'm adding some bacon pieces just to give it a little more staying power, because we all know that 7 ounces of chicken does not stick that well. But bacon will stick. Alrighty. Now, we're going to add some of my pickled veggies. We got cucumbers and a little bit of regular peppers. And some onion pieces. By using cabbage instead of lettuce, one of the benefits is that, you know, with regular lettuce, if you put dressing on it, it's going to wilt down that lettuce pretty big time. But with this stuff, with cabbage, it stays crisp. So you don't have to worry about it. I am going to put on a little bit of grated Parmesan. Alrighty. And I'm going to use some sun-dried tomatoes. Just to sprinkle a few on there. And you know what I forgot? I forgot my dressing. Hello. I'm going to push pause. Push pause, put some of these things up and grab the dressing. Alright, we're going to get a little fancy here. Hold on to your hats. Putting some Thai chili in here. Give it a little kick. Just a little kick. And make our eyes water tomorrow. I'm going to put in a little bit of seasoning here. We're going to put in a little bit of garlic herb, and a little bit of Greek seasoning. And, ooh, let's put in some seeds. Let's put in some everything bagel seasoning. Oh, and you know what? Let's put in this. Let's put in some poppy seeds. Not too many. Just a little shaky shake. And we need our salad dressing. So we got the Skinny Girl Buttermilk Ranch. And Walden Farm, Thousand Island. Alright. Now tomorrow, let me have a spoon. Alright. Now tomorrow, when I eat this, wait a minute, is this the right lid? Nope, that's not the right lid. Hold up. That's that yellow lid. This lid. Now tomorrow, when I get ready to eat this, I'll do like I did tonight. I hope this fits. You know, I got a little excited making this. Let's see if it even fits in the lunchbox. Yep, that fits anyway. Let's see how everything else can fit. I think the chicken might be able to sit up there. So I'm going to need my yogurt down in here. Turn it that way. And my egg casserole. And I got to get a spoon in here, my big spoon. And I guess it really doesn't matter if the chicken gets smushed. I know what the problem is, but I'm going to see if I can fight it anyway. I put a drink. It's going to do it. It's going to do it. I put a big drink up in here. So it made this like extra thick. So there we go. This is going in the refrigerator and we'll eat tomorrow. Okay, bye. Okay, so here's my hair, short or curly. It's like, whoa, but I don't care. I still like it. So, okay. So breakfast is egg casserole. When I come in, I put it in, I get out a little plastic knife and I cut it up. And yogurt. So that is my breakfast today. Okay, bye. Hey, you know, I just want to remind you all that just because you reach your goal, you're not cured. You still have your ghosts and your demons and your past. So I had a little trouble sleeping last night. My brain is just It was as if I had caffeine like really late and I didn't. But anyway, so my brain was just talking last night. And anyway, so now today I'm a little on the sluggish side. And what is it we do when we're tired? We eat, we pick, we constantly need something to fuel our brain, to wake us up. So I'm not, I'm staying strong. I'm still sipping on my protein coffee, and it's 9:15, and I'll probably add a little bit of more water and to it, and I'm gonna start chugging some water. But yeah, just because you have reached your goal doesn't mean everything's all hunky-dory. I used to think that. I'd watch people's videos and like, oh, they're at their goal. That's my dream. Yeah, it feels great, but you still got the mind games. You still gotta, work through your issues and process things. And so, yeah, just wanted to pass that along. Just because you've reached your goal does not mean that all your issues are gone. So, like I said, today I'm just peckish. That's the only word I know how to describe it. Peckish, just like a little hen, just want to peck, 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 peck. Nona Grace, y'all need to watch her channel. But Nona Grace, she's got chickens. And for those of you that do follow her, you see her. Their chickens are out digging in the yard and just pecking, always pecking around, looking for something to nibble on. And that's peckish. That's why people say peckish. Or that's what I mean when I say peckish. So, yeah. So, today I'm kind of peckish, but I'm having to chug water and chug my protein coffee. But it's all because I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. And so, anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. So, just because you reach your goal doesn't mean all your troubles are gone. Hello, it's lunchtime. I microwaved my chicken for about a minute. It's one of those little low-watt microwaves like mine. And let me get it in here. All right, let me get this thrown away. And since it's this bowl, stuff doesn't leak out. I say that, and it might, but I'm gonna shake it up. Shake it up. Remember whenever you used to be able to get those salads at McDonald's, and they were shaker salads? You can make your own. Make your own shaker salad. All right, now. Yeah, buddy. You know it's gonna be good. Look how big that is. It's as big as my head. I need more of these kind of bowls. Yeah, let me get it all. Just kind of double check. Make sure it's all stirred up. Here we go. That's my lunch. It is 11:09. All right, see you at supper time. Hello. I just got back from the Walmart. So somewhere along the line, you'll see my Walmart haul. I don't know if you call it a haul, but a Walmart trip. But anyway, so I'm tuckered. And so tonight we're having the glazed pork over riced chicken. And I have my last loaded Rutabaga mash. I know you said I could throw it away. And I know I can. And I know it ain't going to cost me a penny to throw it away. It ain't going to hurt nothing. However, it's the principle of it. It's the principle of it. I made it, so I feel like I need to eat it. So, anyway, so I've got that. And then, if I can get this open, I remember whenever I was eating some berries, I bought this. So I do not want a whole cup. A whole cup is a serving. And I don't want a whole cup. This is, let's just measure it out so we know about what we're looking at. Let me zero this little booger out. Get you down here. All right, a whole serving is 140 grams. I'm thinking more like a fourth of a serving. So 140, well, no, that'd be 70, and this is 67. So this is half of a serving, but not quite. I gotta get it on up there. There we go. All right, so this is a half of a serving. So I'm gonna have my loaded rutabaga and my glazed pork over rice chicken and these frozen berries. If you're not at a stage where you can eat berries yet, don't worry. It's all right. Don't eat them. Don't eat them. This is just, I like them frozen. I won't show me eating them. I don't want to offend nobody. But I feel like I'm in a stage where I can have some occasional berries. And you see I haven't opened it yet. So so here's the rutabaga. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's the last one. Whoop, whoop. And then this weekend I'm going to be making some other stuff. And then the glazed pork. I'm hot. The rice chicken with that flavor on it. If you've ever had it's the Chinese, the rice. What is it? They get the chicken. I think it's just chicken and rice or chicken. Yeah, chicken and rice. That's what that chicken tastes like. The rice chicken with that flavors that I put on it. I could do that without any other meat in it, and that would be really good because that really does. I could do that with like a little bit of peas and carrots like they do. Some places have other little vegetables in there. They have like little shoots of cabbage, and they have those little baby corns, which I'm not going to put that in. But I could do that with it because literally that rice chicken tastes just like chicken and rice from the Chinese place. All right. Enough jibber jabber. I'm hungry.